rap spitter, semi-blown clap niggas. Skin and bones, but really known as that nigga. I'm known to chase the bumps, trying to get my paper up. In the studio, writing rhymes to the paper crunch. I'm not the type that you would call him a thug, but I'm a hustler, it's all in my blood. So if it's all for the cheese, then a minute. My screws kinda loose, so I ease to the finish. I hop up in the coupe, feel the breeze while I'm in it. Blowing smoke about the roof from the trees that I'm slipping. Young and got the game on lock, I'm on top. It's a shame you're not. You a lame, put your brain on pop. Leave you wet like the rain on drop. I'm gon' rock and I ain't gon' stop. Nigga, yeah. Who's the kid spitting flames? Changing the game, his name is Wiz Khalifa, man. From the home of the greats, where they known for the cake, the place that's still city. Damn, I got that Pittsburgh sound, and I'ma always hold Pittsburgh down. It's Wiz Khalifa, man. You can't tell by now, Pittsburgh, I'ma swell my town. It's still city. Damn. Woke up and you don't know what you dealing with. Oh, so innocent, but flow so diligent. My spit game's like a fofo killing shit. Know your man warm, but the young boy killing shit. Real as shit, and your main wife dig me. Dame try and hit me, kick game like 50 cents. Niggas wanna play games out quickly. Mob with a squad that'll bang out with me. And they want the kids still hurting. 100 niggas with hammers, yeah, that's what I call a steel curtain. Ahead of my time and still working. Put in work, couple meal worthin'. And I'm from Pittsburgh, where the green and the eating is good. And the fiends do everything in the hood. Every day is like a war, so my soldiers rock fatigues in the hood. And we getting all the green like it should. Yeah. Who's the kid spitting flames? Changing the game, his name is Wiz Khalifa, man. From the home of the greats, where they known for the cake, the place that's still city. Damn, I got that Pittsburgh sound, and I'ma always hold Pittsburgh down. It's Wiz Khalifa, man. You can't tell by now, Pittsburgh, I'ma swell my town. It's still city. I'm from the home of the great, where they known for the cake, where the money stacking up, put a chrome to your face. You can step out of line, nigga, thrown in the place. That's why I'm a homie, say this whatever, whatever. I flow so hard and I spit so sick. Got all of these rap niggas on my tip. My pause, it ain't none of that homo shit, and that's word to the Philly. It's whatever, whenever, yeah. Who's the kid spitting flames? Changing the game, his name is Wiz Khalifa, man. From the home of the greats, where they known for the cake, the place that's still city. Damn, I got that Pittsburgh sound, and I'ma always hold Pittsburgh down.